We're going to talk through NPSP, or the Salesforce Nonprofit Success Pack, to explain what it is, because a lot of people first getting started in Salesforce will tell you that you should volunteer for an organization to gain some of your experience and knowledge and get some hands-on real-world stuff. And a nonprofit, of course, is going to be using the NPSP product because they get 10 free licenses for their organization. So we're going to talk through a little bit about what is NPSP. And first, I would suggest that you do the Salesforce Nonprofit Overview on Trailhead. It's a trail mix written by Brittany Breckenridge. You'll get 20,900 points once you complete all of it. But it will give you really good background and foundation for starting to use the Salesforce Nonprofit Success Pack. So let's talk through the Nonprofit Success Pack. When you pull it up, it looks exactly like the sales objects that you're used to using in Trailhead that you've been learning on. But within nonprofit, it's used a little bit differently. So when you're looking at an account, in nonprofit, an account is a donor or a client household, a company, a foundation funder, or any other organization with whom that your organization has a relationship with. There are two major types of accounts: an organization or a household account. Organization accounts are for any accounts like corporate donors, vendors, funders, government institutions, or any other kind of business. While a household account is utilized when you're tracking a member or a donor within a household. And again, a household is anybody living at the same address. The contact object in NPSP is used as an individual stakeholder in the organization. So all contacts must have an account. The contacts can be used to track donors, members, volunteers, clients, and staff. Basically anybody that you interact with in your nonprofit organization. Opportunities are potential revenue generating activities like a donation, a grant, some kind of membership fee, or pledges that are going to be received. You could also track financial contributions from a person or a company. Again, a grant from a particular funder, a contract from the government, or if your organization sells merchandise, you can also track that through opportunities. And then again, campaigns are a way to do kind of outreach where you want to plan, track, and organize how you're contacting and working with volunteers and donors. And then, of course, opportunities can be credited to a campaign or multiple campaigns so that you can figure out whether you're getting a return on your investment. So this just kind of gives you a little bit of an overview of the NPSP and how it's used a little bit different when you're working with a nonprofit.